How to log into Spotify using a QR code. So I'll show you how you can scan this QR code to log in to your Spotify account. Now first head over to your computer or laptop and open up your Start menu. You can then search for Microsoft Store and click on this window here. Now in the search box type in the word Spotify and you'll need to go and download and install the official Spotify app. Once it's finished downloading, click on Open, and you'll see this window here where we have the QR code. Now the next step is you need to come over to your mobile device. Make sure you already have the Spotify app installed on your mobile, and you should already be signed into Spotify on your phone. You'll then need to come over to the home screen and load up the camera app. You then need to point your camera at this QR code. You can also click on the screen to focus on the QR section. Now you'll see a link at the bottom that says Spotify. Go and click on this. You'll then have the option to pair. Click on the pair button. And that will now sign you into your Spotify account on your computer.